Are you struggling to find the image or decal ID on Roblox Mobile? Don't worry. You're not alone, and I've got you covered. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to grab that ID so you can use it wherever you need. All right. The first thing you'll need is a web browser on your phone. Unfortunately, this can't be done directly in the Roblox app, but don't worry, it's super easy. Open up your browser, head over to roblox.com, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and tap on Continue in Browser. This will give you access to the full Roblox website. Now, let's get to the fun part. Once you're on the site, look up at the top right corner of your screen for the Create button and give it a tap. Welcome to the Creator Hub. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, just tap those three little lines in the top left corner to open the menu, and then select Store under the Learn section. Next, swipe through the tabs at the top until you spot Decals. Tap on that, and you'll see a bunch of decals to browse through, or you can search for a specific one if you already know what you're looking for. Once you find a decal you like, tap on it to open its page. Here's where the magic happens. At the very top of your screen, you'll see the URL in the browser bar. That's where you'll find the ID. Inside the URL, look for a long string of numbers right after the word Asset. That's the decal ID. Tap on the URL, locate those numbers, and long press them to copy. That's it, you're all set. And if you want more decals, it's easy. Just repeat the process. Browse, tap, and grab the ID from the URL. See? Super simple. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And hey, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and happy creating.